I made this video with the purpose of giving you some suggestions regarding how to make a proper bathroom. Not just the shower, like what I'm showing right now, but the entire bathroom. I'm remodeling or I'm renovating this property, and there are some concerns that they always raise when you're building a bathroom. And here are some suggestions. The first one, I suggest you to use pocket doors. So whenever you have the chance to take down some walls that are not low-bearing walls, use pocket doors. These pocket doors, like I'm showing over here, this is just the hollow section where the doors are gonna go. But what it does is that it saves you all the space that the swing of the door is taking from you. The second thing that I wanna recommend you is to use dedicated switches and outlets for the different areas. A lot of people has the problem that when they turn on the light, more than likely the lights and the fans and the iron, the hair iron or the blow dryer and all the stuff is connected into the same circuit that the rest of the maybe a bedroom is. And this is the master bedroom, and there are some sometimes people use a lot of appliances or fixtures and things around the rooms, TVs or whatever, and that consumes a lot of power. So dedicate one line all the way to be able to service the bathroom. So the toilet room or the water closet is actually located over here. The drain was modified to be able to be inside a small room or dedicated room. This one has an outlet, and the outlet is actually for some decoration or a radio or any other device, maybe like a smell type of fixture that can give you a nice comfortable smell. Lighting dedicated and with a exhaust fan. This shower actually is big enough. It's about 5 feet wide by 3 feet. 5 feet long by 3 feet wide. It's gonna have a double shelf, and this is the best thing to actually put your shampoos and soap in. It has one shower faucet with a handheld, a piece, and one regular shower faucet with the headpiece. And this is to serve the people that sometimes is handicapped or is getting to the age or just want to have a nice relaxation. So you can have actually a small section where you can sit and comfortable enough. It's going to have a frameless door over here, and as you notice, that green thing that I'm showing over here is called waterproofing membrane. And in the net is a fiberglass mesh. Everything is around covered more than once with this material, so it actually seals all the little cracks with this rubber-like material. One more important thing inside a bathroom is a section. This section that you're seeing over here is going to be a section where the person actually can sit down and try all the clothes with a nice mirror in the back. So all the section over there is going to be covered with a mirror. So you can actually take a look of the way you look before you get out of the bathroom. A lot of people have the limitation that everything has to be behind the doors or whatever to be able to take a look at how they look before they leave or whatever. So it's good always to have something that you can see your entire figure. Now this section over here is going to be a nice linen closet. So it's about 50 inches wide, obviously by 8 feet long in this case, and is one of the things that you want to avoid if you're going to deal with your closet and with your underwear and all this stuff. And sometimes you want to have extra paper, toilet paper, towels, and ropes, and all these things that are really important for everyday usage. And so here we're gonna have a drawer like organizer with some nice hanging bars and shelves. So my client will be able to enjoy this and maximize all the space. and avoid going back and forth to the closet for the regular stuff, meaning, extra deodorant and, all the other things. Now, in this section over here, I'm gonna have a double sink. Just putting one faucet to, one water point or fixture right in the middle, but it's gonna be divided into two. And the reason is that you need a lot of space. You're gonna have an extra light fixture over here, and as you can see, I put 3 high headlights, 2 more inside the shower. The shower is gonna be tiled, and that's one of the things that I also recommend you to, if possible, tile your ceiling. It's kind of awkward, sounds kind of funny, but a lot of my customers, when they call me for renovations, they have a lot of problems on the ceilings. The whatever was the popcorn ceiling, this thing, I'm taking all that out. Whatever is here, I'm taking that out because I just don't like the stuff. That was like a cheap way of finishing ceilings. And sometimes with the moisture, all the popcorn ceiling or whatever, it starts kind of deteriorating the surface. So that's another recommendation. Floors, a lot of people use these plastic shower pans, and they have this nice tile. What I did is that I got a decent price tile, and I just cut it in half and made that nice kind of break pattern type of thing, stagger, and the same thing at the bottom. So just kind of break a little bit of this style and design. As you can see, this one is still missing. I'm working that in right now. And floors, obviously, try to maintain all the floors in ceramic tile if it's possible. Break a little bit of style so you don't have this boring line-like stuff. Don't get too crazy, especially in the bathroom. When you start counting all the fixtures that are gonna go, like a chair over there, a closet over here, a sink right in the middle. If you start doing these designs inside a little tiny bathroom, it's gonna look kind of silly in my point of view. Insulation, very important to put insulation around the interior walls of this bathroom as much as possible. So you want to avoid the noise and the discomfort of somebody hearing you or your time in the toilet or vice versa. And pocket doors, and I designed this because I like to give more privacy to my customers, especially if it's one of these bathrooms that is a master bathroom, master bedroom, obviously. So more than likely the couple is going to be using the bathroom, interacting in the bathroom itself, and it's a little bit of discomfort, at least for myself, to have somebody having to presence my time in the toilet. So that's just me. I guess a lot of people think that way, and that's what it is. So I put different outlets, GFI or GFCI outlets. Obviously, that's kind of a recommendation over here in the United States. Not a recommendation, but a requirement actually. And that's pretty much it. So it's going to be a frameless glass door over here, a nice frame made out of tile as well, actually travertine marble. And that's what I recommend you all the time to use. So I hope this video can teach you a lot about what is to use to make a bathroom in the proper way. I'm giving you these recommendations, and they come from dozens and dozens of bathrooms, if not hundreds of bathrooms that I've done through my career. And that's pretty much what I'm telling you. This is raw stuff. I'm not just a single small company that likes to do good stuff. Thank you, and enjoy your project.